Cherokee cake, rooted in Native American traditions, showcases natural ingredients like cornmeal and honey. This cake highlights a profound connection to culinary heritage, once serving as a staple at community gatherings. In contrast, zucchini cake emerged in the 1970s and 80s as a creative way to utilize surplus summer zucchini. Its moist texture and aromatic spices made it a nostalgic favorite at family gatherings. Meanwhile, opera cake, a luxurious French dessert, gained popularity due to its intricate layers and rich flavors. However, its complexity has contributed to a decline in modern baking trends, serving as a reminder of more sophisticated culinary times. Following this, fruit cocktail cake became popular in the post-war era for its convenience and easy preparation. Yet, as fresher ingredients became available, its appeal gradually diminished over time. Chiffon cake, invented in the late 1940s, artfully blended the richness of butter cakes with the lightness of sponge cakes. This unique texture was achieved by incorporating beaten egg whites separately. On the other hand, rum cake was a favorite from the 1950s to the 1980s, cherished for its rich flavor and festive spirit. Its decline in popularity stemmed from a shift towards lighter dessert options. Chocolate pudding cakes gained traction during the 1950s and 60s, often served at celebrations due to their appealing layers and textures. These cakes remained a beloved choice among both children and adults. Additionally, mock angel food cake became popular as a simpler alternative to traditional recipes, which demanded more time and effort. This cake found favor among home bakers in the mid-20th century. Gingerbread cake has deep historical roots, tracing back to ancient Greece and Rome. Its festive shapes and flavors gained significant popularity in the US, especially around the Christmas season. Furthermore, boiled raisin cake, often referred to as war cake, became a staple during the Great Depression. Its low-cost ingredients and simplicity, devoid of eggs, milk, or butter, made it a comforting treat during tough economic times. In the aftermath of World War II, snowball cake emerged as a fun and vibrant dessert, defined by its marshmallow frosting and colorful appearance. However, its popularity waned as dessert trends shifted towards healthier options. Strawberry angel food cake combined light, fluffy textures with sweet strawberries, capturing hearts in the mid-20th century. However, as tastes shifted towards fresh, homemade desserts, its popularity declined. Lemon icebox cake gained traction for its easy preparation and refreshing taste, making it a mid-20th century favorite. Yet, it lost appeal as healthier cooking trends began to take root. Devil's float cake was immensely popular from the 1950s to 1970s, recognized for its rich chocolate layers. Its indulgent nature eventually led to its decline as consumers began to prefer lighter desserts. Finally, pineapple refrigerator cake became a staple at summer gatherings, offering a no-bake, refreshing option. However, its popularity faded with the rise of more sophisticated desserts and health-conscious trends.